Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you actually having a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the fuse for the light sensor is located. The light sensor has been used for multiple things on your vehicle. It's used for automatic headlights, it's used actually to control your AC if you have the climate controls and all that stuff, because it detects how much light you have on the car, so it can turn the AC on higher or lower, and it can adjust all that as well for the climate guys. So we will explain where that fuse is located. It's under a different name, and make sure to stay until the end. We will explain why it's very important to test fuses as well. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart, on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle, next to the hood where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover, and that's where the fuses are. So what we did guys, we actually took a picture of the fuse box that's inside. We showed you where it's located, but it's impossible for us to get the camera, my hand and light at the same time. So what we did, we took a picture, zoomed it a little bit, that way we can show you the fuses. Also, this is the back side of the cover. We tried to zoom it a little bit so you can see the name of the fuses, okay? But the fuse that we need to check, it's known as that fuse right here. It's known as room LP guys. It's a 10 amp fuse. Okay, and I'm talking about, okay, it will be this fuse, okay, right here, the right fuse in that yellow thing. Okay, it will be that right fuse. It's a 10 amp fuse. The left one is a 15 amp. This is for the radio. You need to check the one that's a 10 amp fuse. Now, very important guys about that fuse guys, how you remove it, that yellow thing, squish, pull out, the two fuses will come together, replace the one on the right side and put it back in. It's very important guys, again, it's very important to test your fuses. Even if you're putting a new fuse, always test them. Sometimes they have defective ones, and you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in the Kia Optima, you still have problems, you're spending time and money to fix it, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it guys. We have a special video that teaches you how to test the fuse in just a few seconds, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So please guys, okay, check it out, we'll share it for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.